Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace brake pads on your Nissan Sentra. First, gather your tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, a lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Always prioritize safety by parking on a level surface, engaging the parking brake, and using wheel chocks. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the process for protection. Now, let's get those old pads off. Start by loosening the lug nuts, then safely lift your Sentra with a jack and secure it on jack stands. Remove the wheel completely. Next, locate the caliper bolts, typically 14mm, and remove them. Carefully slide the caliper off the rotor and hang it without stressing the brake hose. You can then easily remove the worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. You'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing to make space for the thicker new pads. A C-clamp or a brake caliper tool works well for this. Install the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit correctly. Then, carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor, reinserting and tightening the caliper bolts, often to about 20 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel and tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, typically to about 80 foot-pounds. Lower your Nissan Sentra to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This seats the caliper piston against the new pads. Finally, drive cautiously, performing a series of gentle stops from about 30 miles per hour to properly brake in your new brake pads.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.